Alright, so I just got off the boat. I'm gonna walk across the street to this night market. I didn't realize how close it was. We can get across this street. They doing? I'm doing. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Yeah, I'm about to go. Let's see what's going on over here. See, I was hoping it was a food market. That's what I was hoping. Yeah, we grooving, baby. Hong Kong baked juke. Okay, hold up, hold up. Looking like the food in the back. Yes, sir. Food's in the back. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm tired as I don't know what. And I'm hungry.
Hello, sir. Would you like some food?
Oh, no, thank you. I'm walking around first.
Hello, would you like some food? Fried rice, fried noodles, Cambodian food.
That's cool. They're giving out samples.
Okay.
Oh, that's dope. That's probably everybody sitting on the thing. Oh, excuse me, brother. Okay, I didn't think you could walk through here. I didn't want to be disrespectful. They doing it, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. There's coconuts. Fresh vegetables. I'll be back, brother. Be back. Chicken. I love hot dogs, I can tell you that. It seems like for the most part, like everybody selling the same thing. Hot dogs, chicken, top ramen. I really would like some fish. Hopefully I can find some fish somewhere. Yeah. Everybody seems to be selling with the same thing. That ain't gonna cut it. Okay, hold up. They got some different stuff here. That's different. Them baby crabs. Or chicken wings look good. Yep. Like 99% of these people selling the exact same thing. ain't see no fish. Maybe I'll get some noodles. Somebody got some fish out here. Everybody got no fish, no shrimp. I got a big spread, but it's still the same thing. I'm looking for some fish. You got fish? Let me see. Okay, fried noodle. That's chicken though. Crab. Seafood noodle. Alright, so I ordered some 6 shrimps. That came to $5 US. And then I got some stir-fried noodles and an energy drink. They could have got me, I don't know, but they seemed very honest. And, the shrimp was $5. The noodles, I forgot. The juice was $1. So I'm sitting here on the mat. You know what I mean? I don't want to go eat on no fancy restaurant. I want to eat with the people. All right, just got done eating over here at this night market. Man, that's what I call some good eats. And I love it because, you know, you got the mama cooking, and it looked like she got 3 kids helping her. And maybe that was the older brother. Well, that's what it's all about. You know what I mean? Family. Everybody work, everybody eat. So I'm walking about here now. It appears to be some kind of market across the street. So I guess we can walk over there and see what that's about. Okay. Well, they love their bikes and tutus. There ain't nobody crashing. Ain't nobody aggressive with each other. Okay. Let me sell them over here. What's up, bro? Put that cigarette down, it's bad for you. A lot of fresh fruits. Okay. Sour sop, bananas. Oh, this fruit looks amazing. I'm on a fruit diet for 30 days. I want to try it. Maybe push myself for a week. There's pure chaos out here. Like, I don't even know what street to go down. It's like probably 30 streets. Just don't know where to go and it's all busy. I doubt if they out here like Thailand though. Out to 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. When I stayed there last night in my hotel, I went to sleep, woke up, went outside at 4 a.m. just to get a breather. And they still was outside cooking. Now usually it's probably like 100 food vendors out there. And I went out there about 4:30, maybe like 15 left. Went back to sleep, woke up, went back out about 7:30, and them same 100 vendors was back at it. They be getting it, boy. I'm debating if I'm I was supposed to be going to Vietnam tomorrow, but couldn't get my visa situation together. They said somebody put, I didn't put my middle name on the application. So I ain't gonna be able to go over there. So then I thought about going on down to, I still might, I don't know yet. Going down to Taiwan just for the day. I really need to get back to the States. Handle some business over there real quick. So let's do some editing so I can get these videos out for y'all. But I'm definitely coming back to Cambodia. I like this. Man, eating good. Don't gotta spend a lot. Yeah. Now I just gotta find what hotel I was on. And I don't even remember. What's going on?
Not cool, man.
Huh?
Not cool, bro.
What's not cool?
It's on the street, man.
Huh?
Still on the street.
What's on the streets?
Man.
Huh?
I'm still on the street. I was thinking if I can get $1 from you.
Huh?
So I'm fucking broke.
Why you? What you doing out here in Cambodia?
On the street.
Hey, bro, back up, man. You innovate. You getting in my space, bro. Oh no, some brother out here talking about he broke. Like I'm dumb. I know the hustle. I know the hustle. I'll be back down this way in a minute. Like, come on, man. You're not about to hustle me. I was born that night, but not last night. What he saw was a foreigner. In his mind, he said, there goes an American foreigner. You know what they thinking? I know he got some money. Let me give him a sob story. See if he give me a couple of dollars. Now, granted, if he really needed the money, I would help him. I mean, he only asked for $1, but if he really was messed up, I don't think you'd be asking for no dollar. I know I wouldn't be. I don't even know. It looks like the one my hotel is on, but it's not. Yeah.